Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. Well, as you can understand from the lanyard just flying away, it's really windy here at Chelmsford. It's still hot. The sun, as you can see, is bright and sunny. This is, in fact, evening. India and England both finished their practice sessions. Today, India's was optional practice session. But it started off with the press conference. The Indian captain Harmanpreet Kaur obviously spoke to the media, and she said that it was the World Cup has given confidence to the Indian team. She also spoke about how the balance of the team was, of course, ready in their mind when Amanjot and Kashvi. That's obvious that is something that Sneha and I have spoken about a number of times, that it is difficult just before a huge tournament if two of your important players, and that two pace bowling all-rounders in this squad, gets injured. But of course, she is hopeful and she's confident that the players available. Nandini Sharma, there's Yastika who has come back, of course, and there's Radha Yadav, and she is quite sure that they will play their part. The other thing is, in these three matches, of course, India is going to try different balances, try different combinations, bowling combinations specifically, because look, the batting pretty much looks settled. There's not a huge change in the batting lineup at all, but the bowling lineup now has to change, and I'm sure these are the three matches. That's what Harman also said, that there are a number of permutation combinations in the team's mind, the team management's mind, and these are the matches that they will test those combinations in. And then the practice session started, as I said in the beginning of the video itself, that it was an optional practice session, though all the girls had come, because there was the photo op and all that. So all the girls were here. But not everyone practiced, because it was an optional practice session. Smriti Mandhana, of course, was out there with her usual routine of knocking, then batting in the nets. Jemima padded up and batted as well. Harmanpreet Kaur did bat for quite a long time. Or other than that, significant practice sessions was Shriyanka and Sri Charani, Shriyanka Patil and Sri Charani. They took a number of catches, high catches, parallel catches given by Munish Bali, and they bowled for quite a long spell to Harmanpreet in the nets. That was it from the practice. Mainly, it was an understandable. At 11 tomorrow is the game, and then day after is again traveling to Bristol. So. In fact, Harman was asked about these conditions, and she said that England pitches are challenging, but of course the conditions, the temperature, the weather, is something that, of course, isn't a great challenge, which is true. I mean, it's almost an Indian weather, and you would be wondering, why am I wearing a jacket? I'm wearing a jacket because, as I said, there's a very, since morning only, there's a cold wind blowing. Did get a glimpse of the pitch from what when the roller was removed. It seemed pretty green, but also it was let to dry for, it was left under the sun to bake for quite a long time. So what I asked around in the Essex cricket ground, and found out that the wicket is generally a batting wicket. So on that front, it might have a bit of grass, though if you have to think about the New Zealand-England series, if you remember, there was a little grass left in the pitch. Now, considering that the England bowlers are doing so well, you never know. Maybe England will try to keep pitches which kind of have a bit of help for their bowlers. And I think that will give a brilliant opportunity to bowlers like to our bowlers, Renuka, Kranti. This wind actually helps bowlers like Renuka and Kranti to generate the movement, especially someone like Renuka becomes very, very important in tomorrow's game. For me, it's tomorrow. For you guys, when you are watching it, it's tonight's game. And that's about it from Chelmsford for India practice. It was an optional practice session, as I said. The captain came for the match day -1 press conference, and then there was a few hits and a few players batted. That's what happened. Thank you for watching this, and as I try to kind of understand what to do, the heat, the wind, do keep watching Rev Sports and do keep following the coverage, because we will be live from the ground. From what I'm hearing, there will be a huge fans group of about 100 children coming in. I'll try my level best to get the children cheering for India for you guys at Rev Sports. So do keep watching and do like, share and subscribe for more updates.